Hello, my name is Jessica Sparks, and today I will be providing a step-by-step guide on how to get fired from your job. These steps apply to really any job, but there will be some specifics as to whether it is a professional position, a customer service position, and so on. The first point I would like to cover is oversleeping. You have to make sure you oversleep at least 2 to 3 hours after the start of your shift. You can ensure this by partying all night. If you have an alarm, be sure to hit snooze on it at least 4 to 5 times and repeat this step as needed. And don't rush. Take your time. Take all the time you need for your daily routine. Do a full face of makeup, guys and girls. Go for an early morning run to be sure you're sweaty and hot. And also, be sure to grab a Starbucks coffee on your way to work, just so you have proof that you really took your time. Also, wear the proper attire, especially in a professional setting. You have a couple options here. You can be as blingy as possible, you can show off a ridiculous amount of skin, or if none of this is in your wardrobe, you can just be sure to stand out in any way you can. Also, make an entrance when you finally show up. Don't be afraid to draw as much attention to yourself as humanly possible. Be sure to scream about how late you are, walk up to every customer and make sure they know how late you are, even your boss. And don't be afraid to bring some pots and pans with you to bang around. Also, look at your phone the whole time, and I mean as much as possible. Don't have Twitter? Download it. Don't have Facebook? Download it. Snapchat? Download it. All of these will definitely help you take up your time on your phone. And be sure to alienate all of your coworkers. Make sure they all absolutely hate you. Don't forget, you're better than all of them. You don't even need this job. Also, be the one that starts all of the drama. Any rumors going around, you're the one who should be spreading them. Don't be afraid to take a nap wherever you want, and be sure it's the best one of your life. Do it in your boss's office. Do it where the customers hang out. You can sleep wherever your little heart desires. Be sure to put headphones in too. That'll really help you stay knocked out. Don't ask, demand a raise. You deserve it. Talk about how you do more than anyone else there, including your boss. Tell them that you hate the job, which is exactly why you need more pay. How else do they expect you to show up? And threaten to sue them if you don't get more money. In conclusion, you hopefully did it. At this point, you should be free of your job and have plenty of time to do whatever you want. If these tactics did not work for you the first day, the steps may need to be repeated. If you do this, I can guarantee you unemployment will be within the first week. Happy unemployment.